Hey teachers, ever wish math could be more fun and easier for your students? Well, today I'm showing you something super cool, Vedic math. Get ready, because this ancient way of doing math will totally change how you see numbers. Vedic math comes from really old Indian books called the Vedas. It's not just a bunch of tricks, it's a whole system that makes hard math problems easy. Imagine your students solving problems faster and getting them right more often, all while having fun. Let's start with a simple but awesome trick, the vertically and crosswise method. This helps students multiply big numbers quickly. For example, multiplying 32 by 43 might seem hard, but with this trick it's a piece of cake. It breaks the problem into small parts, making it much easier for kids. Another great thing about Vedic math is that it helps kids do math in their heads. They can solve problems without a calculator, which makes them feel really smart. Think how helpful it would be if your students could easily work with numbers without always needing a calculator. But Vedic math isn't just about speed. It also helps kids think creatively about math problems. They learn different ways to solve the same problem, which makes them understand math better and even like it more. So why not try Vedic math in your classroom? It's a great way to make math easier, more fun, and better for students of all ages. Trust me, once you see how well it works, you'll love it. Thanks for watching and happy teaching. See you next time.